And Gen Z loses our parents' health insurance at 26. So here's the US healthcare scam explained in 2 minutes. In the US, we use a health insurance-based model, and insurance companies farm you in 3 different ways. First, there's your monthly premium. It's like a streaming subscription for your health. 2, you've got a copay out of pocket every time you use the plan, kind of like renting a movie on a streaming platform you already pay for. And a deductible. It's the amount you have to pay before the company will even pitch in and help. Those rates are based on how expensive they've calculated your healthcare is going to be over your lifetime. The older and sicker you are, the more they charge you. Before Obamacare came around in 2010, they could just completely refuse to take you as a customer if you had pre-existing conditions like cancer, because the point here for a company is to make money, not to keep you healthy. We pay more for healthcare here than any other developed country in the world by far. Medical debt is the #1 cause of bankruptcy in the US, and it's not even a word in Europe or Canada. That's because greedy, unnecessary, for-profit middlemen make billions in our system while contributing absolutely nothing to it. Health insurance companies are parasitic. They literally add nothing. Their entire business model revolves around charging you more money than it costs to cover your care. So every dollar of profit that they make is just stolen from patients. They also reject as many patient claims as possible. And this is the immoral practice that bothered a certain Luigi enough to act out. But it's not just insurance. There are other middlemen scamming us. Pharmaceutical companies develop drugs using taxpayer-funded research and then sell us back those drugs at a jacked up rate. PBMs, pharmacy benefit managers, almost no one can tell you what they do. It really seems like their whole job is just to make everything more complicated and expensive. In the wealthiest nation in human history, the ambulance should not cost as much as a semester of college, and you shouldn't have to wait on hold for an hour to see a doctor. Medicare and Medicaid are 2 wildly popular federal programs that ensure healthcare for the sick, disabled, impoverished, and elderly populations. We could simply expand Medicare to include everyone, cut out the middlemen, and save countless lives and trillions of dollars. But lobbyists have bought off both sides of the aisle, making sure our politicians do nothing to fix this. I'm calling out corruption on both sides and making our system just a bit more understandable. Follow to keep up.